It's just magic. So, I think, if I had to guess, I'd say this was going to be a good session. I'm not joking. I think this is going to be a classic. It's a Monday evening, a bank holiday in England. I hope. Oh, let's just see if I'm actually. I am in England. Look, check it out. I'm in England. Great. So that's what I'm doing. So it's a bank holiday in England. I'm speaking English. It's dark, and no less, we're wearing sunglasses. So, the most important thing at this stage is, firstly, that I follow myself, because it's just, honestly, it's better than nothing. Why are you not working, you little bastard? So, I would like to watch myself, because I'm a pervert. Can I watch myself? How does that work? You really would think I'd know how to do this crap by now. Right, there we are, there's me watching myself. With feedback, I imagine. So, get bits. I don't know what bit. I genuinely don't even know what bits are. Do people actually get paid for this? I mean, do people actually? I know. I don't know. I mean, I know people do make a living out of it, but I don't really understand how. Anyway, if you're with me at this exciting stage of the evening, you get to join me for the ceremonial beer. It's a beautiful beer. It's Sing. It's Thailand's, I would say, premium lager. They have some microbreweries, and they even have some decent IPAs. But if you want a proper beer in Thailand, you get yourself a Sing. So there we are. Oh, look at that! Look how good that is. I mean, I'm sorry to say it, but I don't fully trust anyone who doesn't love beer. It's just a bit weird. I'm not saying, each to their own. Each to their own. I'm just saying, I don't fully trust them myself. Cheers. So, oh god, yes. So, last time you saw me, or didn't, depending on whether or not you follow this rambling, nonsensical Twitch stream regularly. The last time I saw me, I was trying to do something very complicated using meshes. Now, I don't believe it actually is that complicated. I think I was just finding it complicated because I may not be very bright. But, we're starting from nothing, and sometimes you just have to work out what the sod's going on. So, let's do it. So I've got a penguin, which is not firstly interesting. I mean, I don't know, like, just incidentally, for future reference, if it's an old follower, always let me know, because sorry, I was dicking around. Because then I won't go through the business of actually where we currently are, because you've seen it before, because it hasn't changed much since last session. But I do kind of enjoy it, because actually, when I play it, I kind of realise it's quite fun. And it doesn't really even have it doesn't even have much gameplay yet. I mean, that is very, very satisfying when that happens. It's slightly less satisfying. I mean, there needs to be something. I think maybe spacebar's not enough. I think maybe it'll be like how long you hold the spacebar for. In fact, you know what? We could even do that now, but no, I won't, because I'm just procrastinating because I don't want to do the mesh. Anyway, look, the important bit is bouncy, 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 fun, 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 fun penguin. God damn it. God, I'd much rather do that than actually coding. Does that mean it's a good game? Not necessarily. It just means I don't want to do any coding. Oh, music! Got to put some music on. So. Right. So, got some background music, non-copyright. I know, it's really boring. At some point, I will work out how to, I don't know, like, would you be interested in hearing my actual music? Because the problem is I listen to music a lot. Right? I'm a big muso, I love it. But there's a mild problem, which is a lot of it's copyright. And also, listening to actually good music while you're trying to code, I find extremely off-putting. Because, you're listening to the actual music, you're not vibing, and you got to vibe. So this sort of music, despite the fact that it's a bit boring, let's be honest, I mean, it's background, it doesn't disturb me too much, keeps me bopping. I quite like the beats, and hopefully I won't get copyright struck. I mean, it'll probably turn out that it's all bollocks. But that's a different matter. Alright, look, I'm going to shut up and actually get on with this, because I've been putting this off indefinitely. So we've got generate terrain layer. Okay, great. So now we need to generate a surface. Alright, but I'm no longer generating a surface. I am now generating a mesh. Which is very exciting, I think we can all agree. Well, that's distressing. So, oh god, I don't know. Right, private void, generate mesh. I really haven't got a clue what I'm doing. Void, generate mesh. Fine. I mean, I'm happy to receive assistance from an AI. I don't want it to do the whole thing for me. So I'm going to require... Now I do know that I need to require things, but I have also forgotten how I require things. Oh god, you see, it really is embarrassing. Right. Unity, require mesh stuff. Mesh things? I don't know what they're called. Yeah, what's in a mesh? Thanks. You'd have been helpful before. I'm going to need a mesh filter. I think I need a mesh filter and a mesh renderer. I'm not sure why none of these things are mentioned in the mesh renderer, but maybe they don't actually care about making it render because that'd be too useful. I'm fairly sure it's a mesh filter and a mesh renderer. We will see. How do you require things in Unity? Unity, mono behavior, require game component pattern. We'll see. We will see. We will see. What's going on here? Script to require component. There we go. That's exactly what I want. Great. Yes. Require component type of rigid body. Okay, that seems very reasonable, and that's outside the class. All right. Seems nice. Require component, but it's not that. I want it to be a meshy thing. Mesh filter? I think that's what I want. And I think I want another one. I think it's type of mesh renderer. Yeah, okay, that looks good. I don't know what that means. Okay, fine. God damn it. Fine, so it's not that, but it's something along those lines. It'll be fine, we'll work it out. It'll complain later. It'll say something, maybe. So now I've got a mesh filter, which I think is going to be my mesh. So let's have a mesh, private mesh. Okay, private mesh. Is that what I want? Okay, good. And now your mesh is going to be... Can we get component mesh filter mesh? I am freaking nailing this, okay? I mean, I don't want to like sound too smug, but so far I've written the word mesh a lot. And at the end of the day, isn't that what really matters? Maybe not. So I've got a mesh. Oh god. I mean, there's all this business with vertices and triangles. I mean, I think I kind of get it, because, spoiler alert, I did have a little look at the instructions on Unity. But the temptation to copy and paste is enormous, but I'm not going to, because it's not how we learn, people. We only learn by trying and failing, often in public. By public, I mean potentially 2 or 3 people watching me, but I will take it. I will take 2 or 3 people watching me. It is better than, well, it's better than no one watching me. And also, it's, I don't know, failing in public, not that much fun, but whatever. Look, William, shut up. So, I don't even know anymore. I really don't. Okay. really haven't a clue what I'm doing. So, we're going to have some vertices. I don't even know how you do that. Vertices. Which is going to be a bunch of vector 3s, if I remember correctly. Vertices equals... No, it's not. It's, that, I don't like that. That's too much helping me. I don't want you to help me so much. No, I don't like... No, you're upsetting me. Leave me alone. Vector 3 vertices. There we go. Stop it! Just... Can I turn you not to? I fear that I'm just going to like become just like a tab machine, and I'm just going to press tab a lot, and that makes me really depressed. But on the other hand, it's completely insane not to use the tools available to me. But I am going to call it vertices. I don't know what any of that means. Base points dot select. Fuck off! Well, if that bastard works, I'm going to cry. You see, obviously that's not going to work because it doesn't have the surface or anything. Like, why? Just don't be helpful unless you're genuinely being helpful. Right. I don't think that's what I want at all. Look, just stop it. No, no. Oh my god, how do I turn off autocomplete? I don't want you to be intelligent. I want you to leave me the sod alone. Plan 3. 4 times context next. Oh god, this is boring. Can I would like you to do it only when I ask you to. Oh, I'm just going to turn you off. Is this even this? Or is this something else? I don't even know. Vertices equals... I'm just going to say no the whole time. I want it to be an array of vector 2, vector 3s. I generally don't even know how to do that. I mean, I am so bad at this crap. Okay, that business, bobbins, vertical 3 equals new bobbins with a thing in it. Okay, equals new. Fuck off! Oh, this is really frustrating. Can I please tell you not to? And then, I mean, if you're going to bloody get in the way the whole time, at least get it right. No, no, no. No, I've had enough of this. How do I turn you off? You're going completely. Sorry, Windsurf, you've had your chance, but you've annoyed me too much. I want you off. I don't want to have a conversation. I want you to fuck the fuck off. Oh god, you're so annoying. Am I being really stupid? If anyone knows how to turn off autocomplete, I suppose the internet might. Alright, VS Code. It seems so mad to turn it off. VS Code turn off autocomplete because it's driving me bastard insane. Inline suggest. Yes! Bosh. Press Control, Bibble. Type C#, blah 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 blah. Disable accept notification. No, I don't. I just search for it. Oh! Yes, I want all of these. The fourth step. Okay, that's probably all I want then. So search for inline suggest enabled. Inline suggest in the thingamybobs. Inline suggest. Inline suggest. Allow editor. Inline suggest. Yes. Okay. I mean, I know I seem completely insane. Oh my god, that's amazing. Alright, base points. So I reckon I want this dot length times 2. I know you all think I'm completely mad. Well, when I say all, I mean anyone who's watching me, which is probably no one. But I know you think I'm insane. But you don't learn if you just keep pressing tab. You really don't. I might turn it back on at some later date, at which point I'll be like, why is the inline suggest not working? And I'll get myself in a pickle. Like, you see, I've got this AI over here, I've got this AI trying to help me here, and I just trying to, like, I need to learn what this means, otherwise I'll never get it. Does it matter if I never get it? God. No, this keeps turning into a philosophy channel. Anyway, so I also want some triangles, apparently, which is int triangles equals new int array. Does that work? Base points. What length? Does that work? Oh, it does work, apparently. Okay. Is that going to work? Alright. But I don't want it to be that. I want it to be something like times 6, I think. Because... Do I? Oh, I'm so confused. So the idea is... vertices are points. Okay? So we're going to make the pointy points. And then we're going to make triangles out of these points. And then we're going to assign... I don't entirely know. And then we assign the triangles, like, so you say, okay, well, I mean, it seems extremely stupid to me. But maybe it isn't. I mean, people who are much cleverer than I... Oh, I mean, it's probably to do with saving... it probably is, actually. It's probably to do with saving memory at some point. I'll have to assume that someone much cleverer than I has worked out that this is, in fact, not a stupid way to do it. And it doesn't matter, because I've got to do it anyway. So I'm going to stop complaining about it. I'm still procrastinating. I apologise. Oh, God, why do I hate this so much? I've still got to do this business with the bloody collider, though. Oh, God. I'm so confused. So, generate mesh. So it's actually probably a generate surface now. Because actually I've still got to generate the collider points. So this crap is probably where... Oh, so now the collider's wrong. No, now this needs a mesh. Oh, I'm so confused. So this is wrong. So these need a mesh. I can't wait to stop saying the word mesh. We'll start with putting it on top of what we've currently got. Okay? That makes sense. So we've got a surface, and then on top of that we can generate a mesh. Okay. Yeah. And then we can test that the theory works, and we can also see if we can just get something to show up. I think that makes sense. Alright, so now all I've got to do is some maths, which apparently I'm good at, but for some reason I feel extremely scared of the whole business. So, oh God. Alright, so... I don't know. So I think we're going to make this int base length. Yeah, I think base length is a better idea. Equals base points dot length. Okay, that makes more sense. Because I suspect this is going to come into the equation more than once. Next problem. Surface. I think we're going to ignore that for the moment. It doesn't matter. Alright, so next thing is law 4, I suppose. For... What am we trying to do? What am I trying to do? I mean, I suspect you can do this more efficiently, but I'm not going to. I'm going to do it in 2 passes. So we've got a vertices length. I think, you know what? I mean, I know I sound insane, but I think it might be useful. Maybe it isn't. For int I in... Oh no. equals naught. I forget the syntax. You see that now it would be useful to have. You see, this is what I want it for. I is less than base length. Oh, is it semicolon? Maybe this is a semicolon. This is a semicolon language. I plus plus. Can I do that? No, you can't. Not in this language. So. So I'm going to have some surfacey ones. Okay. Okay. Vertices I equals new vector 3 base points I dot x. Why don't you like this being a vector 3? Well, it's going to have more than one argument, you dick. Base points. You see, that would be really nice if I could have it just like that. Would be a nice autocomplete, whatever, and then naught. Okay. And vertices I plus base length. So we're going to offset that by equals new vector 3 base points. Oh, I suppose we'll need a. So this is an x, and now this is going to be some sort of top point. So what are we going to do this on? What's the actual generate? So we'll do it off the ceiling points. No, let's do it off the ground points. Why not? That'll be fun because it'll crash earlier, aside from else. Alright, so, sorry, I know this is really weird and like just watching someone saying random words to each other, but I'm trying to put a mesh together. I'm putting the mesh back together. I'm putting a mesh together. So I reckon we'll just put in a minus 50 f. I don't know if that's too much, but who cares. And this is going to be naught f. That was a 0. Right, now I've got some vertices. Okay, that seems reasonable. And I've got a bunch of vertices that are the kind of the surfacey ones, and then at an offset of the base length later, I've got some roofy ones, or yeah, no, some groundy ones. So the next problem is for I int j equals 0, j is less than quite a big number because I need a lot of triangles. So is it going to be 6? I think it's going to be 6. Is it? I don't know. For some reason that seems wrong, but whatever. J is less than. Ah! Roughly some numbers. It doesn't matter. I think this is probably going to fail because I think it's probably not base length. Want to search? Is it? I plus plus. Oh, I'm so confused. Am I being stupid? Why is that? Oh, it's J. That's why. I'm an idiot. Alright, so now we've got a J business. So we've got. So these have to fit in there somehow. Oh no. You see, I just knew it. I knew I'd get confused. I'm really confused. So I need one triangle for the top bit. And another one. Oh god damn it, for the bottom bit. So I need 2 triangles, and triangles have 3 points. My maths isn't great, but I do know that triangles have 3 points. So I'm gonna need 6 per thing. Is that right? Why does this feel wrong? Probably it's gonna be a +1 thing. It's always a +1 or a -1 thing. But anyway, like there's something wrong about it, but I don't know what it is. But I'll work it out. There's something wrong about this. But anyway, so yeah, but that's a stupid way of doing things. That is a stupid way of doing things. In fact, it probably isn't how I should do things. So that needs to be. Can I do j plus equals 6? J plus equals 6? Oh, I can. Is that right? So 6. Okay, so now we have triangles. Oh my god. Rj equals. Oh, I'm so confused. Now you do clockwise, I think. Is again, I'm trying to remember. Is mesh building? Is mesh? Oh, mesh triangles counted clockwise? I'm fairly sure they are. There's probably easier ways of asking, but triangles are clockwise. We use the front face. That's the convention used. So the clockwise back face card by default. Okay, great. Oh, I should have a question of the day. 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 What if you meet? You're abducted by super intelligent aliens. And they are so impressed by your inner beauty that they release you and reward you with a piece of knowledge. What would you want that piece of knowledge to be? Of your choosing. What would you choose? That's probably a nicer way of saying it. What would you choose? Right, there we go. There's a question of the day. I think that's a good question of the day. You're abducted by super intelligent aliens. So impressed by your inner beauty, because you do have inner beauty. I see you. I see you. Be seeing you. I see you. Right, triangles J. So this has got to go around in. Oh lord, I'm so confused. Yes. Okay, I think I get it. So we've got to try. Oh lord. Oh dear. Please answer my question of the day so that I can procrastinate some more, because I don't know why this is really boiling my brain. Like, I was really on a roll earlier. I was like, oh, I'm getting the hang of this. I mean, not earlier, like a week ago. I was like, yeah, I got it. Unity coding. I understand. I understand the game objects. I understand how the components come together. These meshes just boil my brain. I don't know why. They really upset me. I mean, it's possible I haven't reached quite the right level of alcohol in the bloodstream. I think I might slightly be overthinking it. Possibly still overthinking it. We'll work on that. So they've got to go clockwise. So I've got... Oh god. So what have I made? I've made rectangles. So I'm going to start this one. Come up here. Then go over there. So I want this one, then that one, then this one. And then for the next one, I'm going to go this one, then that one, then this one. I should possibly write this stuff down. I should possibly write this stuff down, shouldn't I? God, I've become so, you know, modern that I don't have a piece of paper. I probably am going to need paper. Oh my god, at some point I should have some paper. Right, I'm going to buy a notepad, but not today. Not today, sir. Not today. Today, I'm just going to wing it. So the triangle's J is, and these are the vertices. So vertex 1 I've got it now. I see. So vertex 1 is just I. Is it? Is it that simple? Vertex 1 is J. I. Oh my god, I'm so confused. What sodding number is it? These have to multiply up. I mean, the whole thing's absolute lunacy. So actually, this needs to be... Oh my god. Why am I finding this so totally and utterly flummoxing? I note none of you are coming to my rescue and answering my question. Very cruelly, some might say. Fine. I don't know why I keep this business where I'm being welcomed to my own chat again and again and again. It's extremely annoying. Because it just means that stuff gets lost. I mean, not that anyone's actually talking to me, but it's very, very frustrating. Well, next time you're not watching, which is now. Not that I'm bitter. I will, Anyway, I'm back to this. Oh god, this is so boring. Guess I know how to use tab completion, you dick wombat. So, no, you see, so that's the thingy. I just want that to go up. No, see, that's fine. And then that's just J plus, it's just plus plus. But then we don't have J, then we have... int current offset equals J times 6. Then we have current offset. Okay, and then that is J, and then we go up to the ceiling, which is J. Okay, now I'm beginning to feel like I'm on a slight roll. Current offset. Apparently I can't spell current offset. Plus 1 equals J plus base length. Triangles current offset plus 2 equals J plus base length plus 1. This seems wrong, but we'll see. We'll see. This definitely seems wrong. Triangles. So now we're starting a new triangles. If only I could type triangles. So this is a new triangle. Plus 3 equals... Is this also J? So J equals J. Triangles. How does this ever come naturally to anyone? Probably not. This is why everyone does vibe coding. Equals j plus base length plus 1. Am I being stupid? And then the final one. Oh my god, if only I could type. Current offset plus 5 equals j plus 1? Surely this isn't correct, is it? And so now we say mesh dot vertices equals vertices. Mesh dot triangles equals triangles. And then I think I'm fairly sure we're meant to do something about mesh dot renormalizing, but I don't really care. Let's just see if that even loads. Okay, well there's no problems with it, which is generally a good sign. Oh, it will probably run it at some point. So we're going to generate the mesh, and I think we're doing this on a minus. Oh. Still on a plus on the because I think I did this roofy style ceiling min points. So alright, fine. Generate mesh ceiling min points, and you can have the surface as well. I think I've been done. Surface.ceiling. Not that anything's doing that right now, but it'll be fine. Right, well, I've written some code. I'm calling that a win. Let's see. Well, let's see how many errors we get. Well, I mean, how many errors is always a rather boring way of doing this as a metric. Let's see if my computer explodes. That's a fun metric. Right, so I'm hoping, I suppose. I don't know what I'm hoping for, really. Okay, well, that's great. I don't think that's done in any way what I wanted it to do. Oh, no, it still hasn't done what I wanted to do. Ah. Okay, so we've got some errors, but that's okay, because I thought we probably would. Mesh filter component. Oh, up yours then. What are you whipping about? Creating missing mesh filter container for terrain generator in terrain generator. Well, that's great. I don't know what that even means. Is that good? Oh, that's what I wanted you to do. Have I done something wrong? Mesh filter. Where's the actual... Did I not put in a... Okay, well that's not a major issue. Right. Failed setting triangles. So, okay. Some indices are referencing out of bounds vertices. Index count 600, vertex count 200. Is that wrong? That seems okay. Oh, maybe there needs to be a... Aha! So maybe that does need to be -1. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I did, I knew it. Will that automatically refresh that now if we keep going? That'd be cool. I find it hard to believe, but alright, let's see what happens. Oh, come on. Oh, well, something didn't do something. I mean, at least I didn't get an error. Oh, hello. Ah, so I've got a mesh, I just can't see it. Well, is that? Oh! What? That looks enormously like a mesh. What the fuck? It's bastard done it and everything. I don't know why it's down there, but it's bastard done it. Fuck! Look, it's bloody done it. Are you kidding me? I mean, that's actually, that's what I made. Are you absolutely fucking with me? I don't know where it is, but it's bastard there. Oh, come on. I deserve a Nobel Prize. Okay, so what? So I need a renderer? Maybe I need a renderer. I'm sure I needed a renderer. Terrain generator. Mesh renderer. Hey! Oh! Why couldn't I make the mesh renderer earlier? I mean, like, yeah, it's in the wrong place. There's a whole bunch of stuff that isn't cool. But that is obviously a reference to something somewhere. I cannot. Abject. I'm not even kidding. I have an absolute. I cannot believe I've made that. I mean, the colours aren't great. Can I make some? Oh, look, a pretty thing. Default skybox material. I'm not sure I want a default skybox material. Oh, I'll take. Alright then, well, this is definitely a problem for later. But, alright, like the skybox material is a bit odd, but whatever, it's there. Alright, so hang on. So if we stop this, I reckon it's because mesh renderer. So now if we do that and we put the skybox in there, okay, and now we press play, because I think it's the first one. I think actually this time it'll line up. I mean, well, I don't, but it's more likely to line up a bit. Yeah. No. Oh, it made the next one. Oh, it was. Huh? Oh, I see you've made it from the thing, so that's the actual thing. Okay. But that's basically I honestly, I'm slightly sad there's not more people here to share this moment of extreme joy with me. Now, fine. I'm sure that most people who are streaming Twitch have achieved much more in less time. However, I bet they used AI. Bet they did. Bet they did. Bet they didn't work it out just by randomly beating their head against the wall. Like some people I could mention. Why am I proud of this? I sound like my mother. Alright, great. I mean, I'm slightly astonished that that's actually worked. I mean, that basically worked. Right, so what was the other thing called? A mesh renderer? Well, why can't I put in a mesh renderer in here? Require component. Type of. Is that not how it's done? Mesh renderer. Oh, okay, look, bosh. Alright, so we got that. And then can we give the mesh renderer... I mean, how do you actually give the mesh renderer a material? Okay. Okay. Do I have any sprites? I've got a penguin. Oh, this would be freaky. Oh, I can't do that. That's annoying. Why can't I do that? That would have been really funny. So apparently I don't have any materials. I don't know what a material looks like, but it does not look like a sprite. It is not a penguin. Oh god, this is going to get complicated, because eventually I do want it to be a sprite, I suppose. Alright, so I press go. Is it going to complain again about stuff? Really annoying. Ah, and then that's offset. That really is quite incredible though, I have to admit. I am pleased about this. That is genuinely... Is that right? Yeah, that is right. God, it also shows how good my Perlin noise is. I mean, I don't want to look too smug, but seriously, that's kind of fun, eh? Right, so that started up. Did I have any complaints? I didn't even have any complaints. Nice. Okay. Alright. Maybe. Alright, so. God, this is very exciting. I think I might have another beer to celebrate. Oh no, I haven't even finished this one yet. Well, I'm pleased with myself, even if no one else cares. And I'm the only person that matters. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Anyway. Well, that's a thing that actually does generate some sort of a mesh. I'm not sure it's exactly what I wanted to do, but it'll do. Kind of. These need to be backwards if it's upside down, because it needs to go... Oh, that's going to be really annoying. But I'll work that out. That's just annoying, digging around diddly wobbly stuff. I genuinely can't get over that. That's absolutely blown my mind. Is 50 too much? 50 looks like it's too much, doesn't it? I think 50 is quite a lot too much. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, 50 is well too much. So what? So maybe 15? 15 is probably a better amount. Alright. And I think we can reasonably make that a... Yeah, right, why not? Fine. So let's have public float. What is it I'm looking for? Public float. I don't think it is. No, I don't think it's a... I don't think it needs to be. 15 will do fine. Yeah, 15 will be fine. So... ceiling min points. I see. Okay, so I can't do that anymore. Oh, I see. Okay, so we don't want to generate the mesh there anyway. That's a stupid place to generate a mesh. Here's where we want to generate our mesh, because it's going to be after. So, what? So actually... Uh-huh. So the ceiling is going to go up. So that means that we need, if it's a sine... Oh, law. So the sine is going to be down. And then these are going to muck about because, and this is I think going to be the bit that's going to slightly flummox me. It's not, it's going to be the surface. You see, I'm a bit slow to get going, but when I get going, then I'm kind of like, I don't know. No? Not impressed? I'm impressed. I think this could be a lot worse. I think this is going to work. Not immediately, but I mean... So now, Jay... See, that's really annoying, because I don't want... Backface can't be default. You see, I don't want to cull them by default. I want to be able to see them. Am I being stupid? I am being stupid. So what I could do is I could make... Oh my god, I'm just... Why is it so complicated? Ah. Let's just see what happens. The thing is, I'm fairly sure I know what's going to happen here. What we're going to do, I think we're going to get the surface working, the ceiling working. And I think we're going to get the ground is going to just, it's going to be there, but it's going to be invisible. I don't want to fucking tell you how fucking clever I am. But, honestly, does that have a collider and everything? Are you absolutely kidding me? Oh my god. Okay, it's almost working. Okay, so we've still got everything. And that's just invisible because, oh my goodness me. I know, like, yeah, I know that it looks like it's a complete mess, but I think actually that's genuinely worked. So we've got all the colliders. If we zoom out, we should have the next step, of course, because I'm deleting the last one. Okay, well I'm going to have to work on that, but that's a different matter. We've still got all the colliders. And I think if I can I spin this round? I think if I can spin this round, we'll see it is actually there from the other side. I just can't see it because I'm an idiot. No, it's because I'm overwriting the same one. Aha! Ha 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 ha! Ah! There needs to be a separate mesh. Okay, yep, no, nearly there. Nearly there. Nearly there. Nearly there. So, now I've just got one mesh per bobbins, which no one's liking that. Oh, so that's just coincidence because the ceiling comes second and it's overwriting with the mesh. Okay. There should be some renormalization, but I don't know what that means, so we'll leave that for another time. I'm very sad that no one's engaging with my, I thought, very philosophical and interesting question. Hey, is that Diabful? Diabful, are you watching me? Is it you, Diabful? Is it you, Diabful? Some kind soul is watching me. I think it is Diabful, but I'm not gonna disturb him. Right. Okay. So, so this should return a mesh. So we want the so we don't want the renderer. We want this to have a mesh. Can we just have a mesh? Okay, mesh. Okay, great. And now in here, we don't have, we have mesh. Mesh equals, so we're out of, we don't care about those anymore. No one likes that. No one wants one of them. Why is that gone? Well, why not? Oh, mesh. Oh. Why do you not like that? Why not? Of course. Oh god, how do I make these people go away? I don't want to reply, I want them to dick off. Oh god, it's so depressing. It really is so depressing. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't mind exemplary clean 9 OJMX un. And I might even go and check out your streamboo.com viewers if you had the good fucking grace to answer my question of the day. But you don't. You do not. So, hang on. I don't really understand how this works, so... No, I still don't really understand what the hell's going on here. I might ask AI, because this is just going to be some stupid thing that I don't fully understand about how Unity works. Oh dear. I've generated a mesh, but how do I perform the equivalent as I currently have with a line renderer? Apparently I can't add a component. I can't use add component mesh. Right, come on. Right, fine. Oh, I can't believe I'm asking AI, it embarrasses me. Oh, is it? It's a data class, not a component. Mesh filter is what holds it on a game object. So MF is a mesh filter. MR got material is your material. Yeah. Alright, well, I suppose that makes sense. So what? So why do you call it a mesh? What is a mesh? I see. Basically, it doesn't work the same way. So the mesh what? But surely you can have a mesh for different objects. No. What? Yeah, but it's not true. None of it's true. It's all lies. It's lies. You're lying to me. Ah, no, it's not lies. I see. I see. Yeah. Game object, ground object. Okay, with you. Game object. I see. So you would have a mesh filter and you'd have a mesh renderer. And the mesh filter. I see. Okay, so will that work then? Well, so there's only one way to find out. I'll tell you what, I think I might save this because I know it doesn't look like much. But it is at least a functioning thing that does roughly what I expect it to do. I mean, I understand why it's not doing what I want it to be doing. But essentially, I do still have a bouncy thing. This game's too easy. It turns out you don't have to play it. But anyway, fine. Okay. No, that is doing what I wanted it to do. Ah, you can get stuck, can't you, penguin? Ha 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 ha. Right, alright. So I call this a win. So, proof of concept for mesh. Yeah. Right, Zot. Next problem. So you're no longer a line renderer, you're now a mesh filter. And you are no longer a line renderer, you are now a mesh filter. Grayish ground mesh filter. Okay. Mesh filter. Mesh filter. Alright. So you are now ground mesh filter. Okay, and we're gonna have the same problem with you, but now you are the ceiling object dot add. Okay, so that's great. Now down here, we don't need this shit. We now just say, so we return. What is a mesh? So that, what was the mesh again? I've forgotten. Oh, I'm so confused. What was it? It was just this crap. Get a component. It was the mesh filter, so we don't need that anymore because the mesh filter is the current game objects. Bear with me, this will get more interesting. It probably won't get more interesting. So you are now returning a mesh filter. Not all code paths return a value, that's great. We want you to return new mesh filter. So let's say mesh filter mesh equals new. And then mesh.vertices is this crap. I don't think so. Huh? Am I being stupid? What? What? Sorry, what? What? I'm so confused. Mesh filter is get component. Oh, it's the mesh of the mesh filter. Alright, fine. How do I go all that forwards? Mesh filter. Mesh filter dot mesh. Mesh filter dot mesh. Return mesh filter. And now we have generate the mesh. Where are we using that? We'll use that down here. So now we have layers. Dot. Not dot. Mesh filter equals generate mesh. Is that gonna work? I mean, miraculously, once again, we don't seem to have any major complaints. So, give it a go. Alright, let's see what this does. He says, expecting the answer, explosions! Explodorous lasers. I mean, I would love it if it worked, but I would be surprised, let's be honest. Oh, wow. Yeah, that was bad. Oh, why do you do that? Is slightly annoying of you, it has to be said. That's not where the error is. Object reference not set. Well, you're not set to an instance, an object. Oh, I should probably get rid of that actually, because I don't need that anymore. But I don't think that was what the issue was. Terrain layer, mesh filter, mesh filter. So what? So why are you complaining then? Maybe that was the problem. A bit hard to imagine that was the problem. Blah 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 blah. Alright, well let's try again. I mean, I don't think it was that, but maybe it was, because I did say I needed to require it and then I didn't give it to me. Which probably upset it. No, because it's already there. So now I can delete them. Because they don't matter to me anymore. See, once again, I'm confused as all hell. Okay. That wasn't the issue. Turns out that wasn't the issue. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Oh, whoopsie. Get mesh at blah 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 blah. Terrain generation 1/5. So that's my last problem. Why is that a problem? No, I'm confused. See, why can you just randomly shove oh my god, my ears. Oh. No, I think I've done something wrong. You see, there's your mesh filter. There'd be that mesh renderer. Is that the issue? That can't be the issue. Can that be the issue? Maybe it is the issue. Okay, so you've made the mesh. So if I give you a mesh renderer, are you going to stop complaining? You do not seem to have stopped complaining, but maybe I could give you a... No, you really haven't stopped complaining. You're very upset about the fact that it doesn't have whatever it's meant to have in it. Oh god, am I going to have to ask the internet again? I'm going to have to ask that stupid AI. No. God damn it. Well, I should give it the renderer, because obviously I should, and it'll make it happy. But I'm not really sure. I don't know, fine. Can I just add it without needing it? Oh, I don't know what I'm doing, I really don't. Right, ground obj dot add component, what's it called, mesh renderer. There you go. Well, that's good, and we can work on your material once I understand why this is problematic. Why is that problematic? I didn't mean that, I meant seeding object. Oh my god, one day I will actually get the hang of copy and paste. But today is not that day. Right. So, you will see. I really am very, very, very upset about the fact that my only chat is from an AI. Just saying. Talk to me, people. Talk to me, goose. I don't think this is going to be the problem. It is not the problem. What is the problem? Yeah, I know. Fine. Mesh filter dot get mesh. Why is that an issue? Oh, I'm gonna have to ask Claude. I'm gonna have to ask Claude. Oh. Ooh, don't know what that was. That was exciting. Fine. I'm getting an error. Yo. I'm getting this error. I fear I'm still misunderstanding something. Instead of pressing, I'm definitely gonna need more beer. Feel free to read the script. It isn't that long. Okay. Well, that's horrible. Oh, I see. Ugh. That feels very icky. Can I refactor that to use fewer, I don't know, like side effect mutations? I don't like that at all. Yeah, I can live with that. Right, so private static mesh. Oh, okay. Right, alright, so alright. So where are you being called now? So the mesh filter dot mesh. Okay. I'd love you to do it. Yeah, explain the problem. Oh, I see. Doubly got it. Okay, with it. Ah, C#, such a nice language. Right, I think... Ooh. I think this might work, miraculously. I mean, when I say work, I mean that in a very, you know... I mean, work's a strong word. Come on, do something. This is a penguin, just in case you were wondering. I mean, it's obviously a penguin. My girlfriend looked at it and she was like, why is it a penguin? Okay. Okay. Oh, freaking K. Oh my god. I mean, look at this. This is insane. This is an actual, proper, stupid, nonsensey thing I've done. Ha 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 ha! Go me! I can do rubbish things. Okay, so I think we've got a problem with the bottom being invisible because it's cold, whatever the frick cold means. But I think we can get away with that. So, I mean, I'm using two different AIs here, which seems slightly insane. Actually, that really is a bit insane. Because this thing won't get in here. It's so frustrating. This thing can talk to it, but can't do this. Oh, it's so frustrating. That thing's stupid. And I don't want to use either of them, frankly. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get myself another beer. Oh. Because, oh my god. Oh, Lord. My bastard. Bastard air conditioning. It's determined to drown me. It wants to drown me. My air conditioning wants to kill me. On the plus side, I've still got some hair. And I've got another beer. So I'm calling that a win. Right. Lovely friends. What am I doing? I'm drinking a beer. Seriously, I can't advise it enough. Beer and coding. I actually look forward to this. I'm an odd man. I'm beginning to understand my father better. Because he just wants to spend most of his time. I mean, he's 75, 76, 77 now. And he wants to spend most of his time dicking about on his guitar. He's pretty good at the guitar. I mean, he's not, you know, famous or anything, but you know, he's okay. Right, so I need to get these right. And I've always liked, oh, come on, Dad, you've only got, you know, 10 years left, maximum. I just want to sit around dicking around on a guitar, but actually, the older I get, the more I understand it. I just want to sit around drinking a beer. I'd rather be drinking wine, but you can't get wine in this godforsaken country. I do love, no, I'm joking, I love Thailand, but you can't get wine here, which is really, genuinely, its only major problem. There's very, very, very little about Thailand that I don't like. I mean, its politics isn't great, but it doesn't really affect me that much, if I'm honest. It is not quite the idol it makes itself out to be. However, I will give it that its beer is good. Now, I reckon I can be clever about this, and instead of mucking about with this stuff, which is going to be complicated, I just need to muck about with this stuff and put the vertices in a different order. Because if the vertices are backwards, surely we get the same. Excuse me. Shirley, no? And don't call me Shirley. Don't call me Shirley. Ah, it's so annoying. So I've got this one. So now I want it to go from the base up to the thingy, and then down. And then from the base. So I do, it's exactly the same, I just want it to be all the way down here. So I just want these two swapped around. So, how do I do that intelligently? How do I do that intelligently? That's interesting. I want these to be swapped around based on the sign. Ooh, why is that? I find that very pleasing because I suspect there's an extremely pleasant, what's what I'm looking for? Elegant solution to this, which I'm currently not thinking of. Oh, that's the sort of thing that keeps me awake at night. It better be 1:30, not 2:30. It is 1:30, not 2:30. Thank God for that. Well, okay, how about we test my theory? That's not a bad idea. Let's test my theory by... That's not how you do it, you numpty. Testing of the theory is... That goes there. My theory now... I don't know. My theory now is we'll see the groundy ones. I don't know, I'm confused. Let's see. Come on. So I reckon we'll see the ground now. Oh my god, I have my moments. I do have my moments. Wow, I genuinely have my moments. Huh. Okay, fine. So, that's impressive. So, we want to mix those two rounds. So, in ground mode, we want that to be... It might just be easier to have... I think, yeah, probably just easier just to do that, isn't it? So, can we do that? No, we can't. Oh, sorry, I'm stupid. Am I being stupid? I don't know, I'm usually being stupid. So, surface equals surface, surface. So in this case, I suspect there's a much nicer way of doing this, but I can't work out what it is, so I don't care. So if it's the... Oh, up yours. So if it's the ground, we want this to be 0. Otherwise, we want it to be base points. Was it base points dot length? Base length. And then this one, we want it to be base length. Otherwise, we want it to be 0. Oh my god. Okay. I think that's going to work. Yeah, alright, there's definitely a nicer way of doing that. I totally recognise there's a nice way of doing that. But, I mean, I've already spent hours on this, and at the end of the day, it works. Yeah, I mean, it's not the end of the world, it's just not terribly clear what it's doing. So I could just put in a comment at the end of the day. Oh my god, it's actually freaking worked. I mean, honestly, I don't want to blow my own trumpet or anything, but does that look like a game or what? That's incredible. That's kind of fun. No? Am I the only person who thinks that's kind of fun? I could put this on Twitch. Twitch? Itch. I'm on Twitch. Twitch and Itch. Twitch itch. I'm going to itch that Twitch. Oh my god, I can't believe this. This is absolutely blowing my mind. I mean, look at this. This is really cool. So I need to deal with this nonsense. I mean... No? Come on! Like a clap? I genuinely had no idea I was capable of this. I mean, how much fun is this? Look at that. It's a game. I made a game. No, I made a game. It's a stupid game, but it's a game. The penguin flaps. It does things. I mean, yeah, alright, the graphics are appalling. But honestly, growing up in the 80s... I mean, honestly, this is about as good as games were in the 80s, actually. Oh my god. Actually, it really is about as good as games were in the 80s. I've made an 80s game. I'll make Jet Set Willy next. Manic Miner. Oh god, I'd love to make Manic Miner. Oh my god, that was satisfying. I'd just like to say that was exceptionally satisfying. And if you don't think it was satisfying, you're wrong. Oh my god, this is fun. This game is fun. It's a fun game. Actually, it could be harder. The problem is I need bits of it to be harder, but also for it not to be too hard, like there. But I'll work on that. But, I mean, the principle, I think, is good. Okay, so what's next? I mean, I cannot get over this. Come on. No? I mean, now, okay, so, like, there's some problems. In case you've noticed. Yeah, you may not have noticed, but I don't need all of this. So these need to die. These need to be joined. Oh, no, I'm too happy. I don't care. Screw you all. I'm happy. Yeah, baby. I mean, yeah. No? That's just great. It's just great. That's great. Look at that. I've made a thing. It wasn't even that hard in the end. This whole mesh business wasn't actually that difficult, so I'd really built it up in my head. I didn't get it, but now I kind of get it. I suspect there's more problems. Okay. Yes. If it's not this, yeah, that's an interesting point. Who's using this? Yeah, whatever. I don't really care that much. It's alright. I'll live. And the final script. It seems to work as I would expect. I don't know why I'm asking it. I can't even see things. You and your opinions. Okay, line 80. What? New vector 2 chunk width, do I? Yeah. Do I not need to do that? Or is that just automatic? Can I? Oh, I see. Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Why is that not true of that then? Ah, because though I do the thing. Okay, with you, with you, with you. Okay. Does that work? That's better, I prefer that. Alright, fine, nice. Lines 92 to 93, which have probably changed now. I was very pleased with this, and I don't want you to tell me I'm being an idiot. Yeah, okay. Can you put in a sensible comment for the slot swapping, please? Right, well, there we go. Oh, poor Claude. All very boring stuff. Is that a reasonable solution, though? It seemed easier than swapping the logic in the triangle assignation for loop. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Goodness me. My word. My word. No, that's shut you up. Don't have a glib immediate response for that, do you, Claude? That's your own end. Yeah, good. No, you see, I think yours is worse. No, Claude, I think you're wrong. I think mine is better. Right, good. Excellent. I'm glad I'm still in charge. Right, so now we have a horrible purple tunnel. Good. Would you like to see the horrible purple? Oh, Diabfal, it's so nice to see you. It takes about half a litre to start streaming, and then continues at another half litre per hour. Until I start burping. Start making no sense. Although some might say that's as soon as I start streaming. Right, oh Diabful, so nice to see you. Have you seen my question of the day? I'm going to remind everyone. I'm now going to remind everyone of my QOTD. I mean, it's just, you don't have to scroll far. It's so deep. Right, whatever, I don't care if none of you care. I care. I think it's a good question. I think it's a fun question. what am I doing? Look, I mean, this is very exciting. Right, look, check this out. Like, Diabfowl, look, check it out. Look what I've done. Look, you see? It's now, I mean, seriously. Come on, you bastards. No. Oh, god damn it, Penguin. What are you doing up there? Right, come on, Penguin. Stupid Penguin. Oh, god, everything's so annoying. Way, Penguin. Right, look, Penguin. Beep, 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 beep. Look. No? I'm excited. I mean, this looks genuinely like a thing. Right, let's give it, let's change that and change the terrain generator. Oh no, this is going to be changing with every, god damn it. Yes, so the material will change on every occasion when it, bonk. Yeah, so where have you changed? Aha, there. Okay, so how do I assign a material at birth? So you are what? Can I get a reference to you? Select shader, select material. Oh, okay. Materials. Okay. I might just quickly, just a little bit, ask. How do I assign a slightly default material to the renderer, to the mesh renderer? I mean, Sprite's default unlit color as a shader, so it ignores lighting entirely. Yes, that sounds nice. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Yep. That does all make sense. So, serialize field. Serialize field. Oh god, serialize spelled in some horrible American way. Serialize field. Why are you complaining about that? Is that spelled wrong? Game object material. I don't know. Serialize field material. All right. Okay, fine. Boink, boink, boink. Okay, so what you're saying is now I can assign that the material will become the material on the terrain generator. Okay, yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Cool. Yes. Okay. It said something about Sprite. No, I don't know what that was about. Fine, don't care. That'll do. For the moment, it's just slightly nicer. And then I have to assign that into the MR, into the mesh render. Signing code. Where is it? Ground up mesh render. Oh, God. Fine. Okay, so what do we have? Mesh renderer. Ground mesh renderer equals, and then we assign that business ground mesh renderer dot material equals material. Love it. Doink. So now we do the same thing for this business, the ceiling. Nope. Mesh renderer. Sorry if I'm ignoring everyone. Oh, I don't understand what it did to you. This looks very promising. Oh yeah, dude. Seriously, yes. It's going to have all sorts of collectibles. The idea is you start slow and then build up speed and have collectibles to enable you to go ridiculously fast with, you know, ridiculously fast. It's going to be have Sonic the Hedgehog from the 90s kind of look. Yeah, no, it's going to be fun. And it's going to be a roguelite, obviously, because everything's a roguelite. And yeah, no, it's going to be great. Thank you, Diabful. I love Diabful. He's such a lad, or ladette. I don't know. They're cool. They make me very happy, Diabful. Whoever it is, they don't speak English, so they're translating all of this stuff into such a legend. I mean, it really is very cool. Thank you for putting the effort in with translation, etc. Right, anyway. No. Is this going to work? I think this is going to work. So now hopefully we'll have something a bit prettier than that horrible pink shirt. Ah, or not. What are you whiffling about? 66, 74, 39? Can't add component ground chunk because such a component is already added to the game object. Well, your mum has already added to the game object. Why not? Why not? Am I being stupid? Ah, no, because it's a ceiling object. I was being stupid. Oh, I didn't say that. I didn't say thank you. I really appreciate. Yeah, I really appreciate your being involved. Right, come on. It's very laggy. Upsets me. Oh! Yes! That's better. Oh, that's better. Oh, daddy's nice. Oh, daddy's so much better. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No? Oh my god. This is insanity. So I just need to clean up these bad boys. This is going astonishingly well. I mean, come on. That's kind of cool, eh? Huh. Good old Diabful. Right. I mean it. It's so nice. I'm not that nice. I'm not. I'm very low energy. I'm just, I can't be arsed. And I just fuck off. But no, there are some decent people out there who actually want to engage. and I appreciate the hell out of it. Right, make it a bit prettier. Oh no, hang on. Let's save that, and then we can have boink. Make the tunnel a bit prettier. Alright, yes, why not? Looks good to me. 10 out of 10. Is there 100 thingy? Yeah, well you are, mate. You are. Good work. I don't know how to do 100. I don't know how to do that. Oh, whoops. Oh. Well, now I've lost my thingy. How do I come back to my thingy? Oh, there we are. Aww, Diabful, no, me and Diabful up a tree. You know what I mean? I don't mean that. And I don't think he means that, or they mean that either. But I'm feeling the love. I'm feeling the love, and that makes me happy. I like to feel the love. There's not enough love on this planet. That's one of the things. This is one of the reasons I do this, because this would be really boring if I was doing this on my own. I'm not joking. This would be really boring. It's slightly annoying that I have to type everything for them, but there we are. This would be really boring if I was doing it on my own. It's so nice. So nice to feel there's at least a few people who are interested. And it would be even better. It will be even better when we've got a slightly bigger community. Boink, boink, boink. And we will, people. We will, I promise. Oh, because decent people come here. There's going to be a no tolerance. Like, I'm all about free speech, but I'm all about not being a dickhead. So you can say what you want, but I might ban you. That's going to be my only rule. Like, you know, like I have absolutely no problem with what you believe, but like, be nice. You will be nice to people in my stream. That's the end of the conversation. If you're in the stream, you'll be nice. That's the only rule. You can believe whatever you want, and I will love you for it. I don't care what you believe, but you will be nice to people in my stream. And that's even people who aren't in my stream. They're like, I don't care. You can hate all sorts of people, but you're not going to talk about it in my stream. That is the only rule. And we will have nothing other than love and joy and good times. That's the rules. Love and joy and nice times, because the world is a shitty enough place and we are going to have a nice time. Now, in the short term, that's the long-term goal. That's the long-term goal. The short-term goal is to get those bastard scenes to line up. Swearing, absolutely allowed. As much swearing as you like. Sorry, this is going to be a very adult channel. I don't think anyone under 18 is going to probably want to watch this crap anyway. And if they are, they're probably quite mature. Because they're not just watching people playing Fortnite. Not that there's anything wrong with watching people play. I watch people play Fortnite, no problem with that. But anyone who's actually following my channel is probably going to be an adult. So swearing, absolutely allowed. But, again, inoffensive swearing. Not swearing at people. Not using slurs or anything like that. But the word fuck, eminently encouraged. Right, anyway. What am I talking about? Oh, god damn it. What am I going to do about this shit? Alright, so. This has been bugging me for days now. Like, this is even more. So I've been procrastinating solving this problem by making the meshes. And now I've made the mesh. Now I've made the mesh, I've got to de-procrastinate. Oh, it's like a stack of procrastination, you know? Like, I mean, I should be doing real work. So what I'm not doing real work, I'm doing this. And then I got to a thing on this I couldn't do, so then I got another thing. And it's going to unwind, and eventually I'll finish making this game and I'll actually have to do some real work again. But in the meantime, I don't think I'm for everyone. I really don't. The number of people who come on watch this for about a minute or two, and I think I'm being relatively amusing, and then they just bounce, and I'm like, okay, apparently I'm not relatively amusing. Oh well, so much for being a stand-up comedian. Look, shut up. Right. Oh god, alright, here we go. So, the problem is that when I'm generating the original surface, the chunks there's a method to this, you see, because I don't want the whole thing. It also didn't help that I don't really understand how Perlin noise works, I think. So the AFBM no, you see, I don't understand. No, I don't understand. Entirely my opinion. Never trust anyone who doesn't like beer. There must be a lol. They're up to something. If you don't like beer, you're up to something. Yeah. Now there's a way of consistently. Bloody Perlin noise. No, you see, I don't understand. So that seeds this thing. And then that's... No, I just don't understand anyway. Oh, don't make me do it again. I might do something else. I just, like, seriously, I'd rather do art than this. I might do art. Okay. Okay. I don't know why this upsets me so much. It really offends me. Because this seems to... Stand. Okay, You'll have to bear with me. I know, like... Well, I'm certainly unlikely to make any money. I do hope that at least some people kind of get involved and maybe help me test the game. I mean, I will put it on Twitch. No, Twitch, put it on itch at some point. Maybe one day, in about 10 years, I can put the game on Steam or something. If I got 1,000 downloads, I'd be very happy. I mean, like, at the end of the day, you're not, you know, this is not a way of making money. I mean, you might, people do. People become not stupidly rich. I mean, they don't become, you know, what's his face? You know, Elon Musk, they don't become that sort of rich. You know, no one's become that rich from making a game. You have to make other people money, basically, to become that rich. But, that's not the point. The point is, I feel like I'm doing something really stupid. So the y coordinate in this instance, it's just, so these are the max points. Then we got the graph max points. So, and you know what? I actually think I should do that first. I don't know why I think I should do that first, but I just do. That feels like it's more efficient to me for some reason. Anyway, that's not the point. So we got the generate FBM seed, which we do. That's fine. Then we shove it in here. Okay. Oh, hello. Okay, I can test your game. When you create demo for itch, what are your favourite games? Sometimes you can tell what kind of person they're. Well. This is just my first game. To try to understand Unity. I really want to make a game a bit like what became of Edith Finch. But that's a much bigger project. So I have 3 games in between this one and that. Which I will warm up with. Ridiculous, I know. I'm too old for Tonic, really. My reactions are slow. So, I know I don't. Oh, God damn it. No, I don't understand. Maybe I do understand. Maybe I'm being stupid. Like, if I just change that to 10, well, that actually, maybe it doesn't change the output. Maybe it just changes the height. See, I still don't think I fully understand how Perlin noise works. I mean, the penguin's going to be in the wrong place, but that's not the end of the world. Interesting. Very Oh, wow! If you like Earthworm Jim. Wow, dude, how old are you? No offense. Just go to the toilet. I should have a thing. Yeah, I liked Earthworm Jim. A roguelite. A roguelite. Maybe dungeon crawler? Crawler-ish. With fast pace. Fast pace, so like Sonic. And also those kind of graphics that are nostalgic for me. So this game's going to be a bit of a roguelike, done with fast pace, so like so those kind of graphics are nostalgic for me. But also inspired by Flappy Bird. I mean, it's an obvious combination, the old Flappy Bird Sonic roguelite. I mean, who hasn't thought, oh, you know what I'll do today? I'll make a Sonic Flappy Bird hybrid roguelite. Alright, so I reckon, well, firstly, I reckon I'm being stupid, but that's not particularly surprising to anyone who's ever met me. So, what we do? So that just sets up the crap. That could be a terrain generator. Can you do that in scripts, or does that not really make sense? Is it good practice to separate out scripts? Into their own folders. I'm thinking a terrain generator could have a bunch of helper classes scoped into its namespace. Wow. I love asking Claude these things. Okay, cool. Yeah, I might do that then. Yeah, okay, that's what I was thinking. I mean, I probably won't do that right now, but oh, it was just what in 3 days. Done better than me. In 3 weeks. What game are you making? Can I game test yours? Play test yours? Aww. God, Gab pal. Right. Oh, God almighty. I don't understand why I get so confused by this. This is not much. I'm not really sure how you could be much simpler than mine. I find. Oh my god! I might turn this into a gaming channel. I'm gonna go and game test the Abfals. Oh, that'll be fun. Oh my god, what a lovely way to procrastinate. Don't tell anyone. I'm not really procrastinating. Might be slightly procrastinating. Ba 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 ba. Ah, quite interested by this now. I've been distracted. Not just by the Abfal, by my own stupidity. God, stop scrolling randomly, you muppet. Alright, fine. So, you see, I'm already offended by the fact that this file is 150 lines long. I have very, very strict rules. I'm in charge where I work. I am, genuinely, of the whole code base, and I have very strict rules. And if any of my members of staff gave me a file that was 150 lines long, they'd be in trouble, I can tell you. They'd be in a lot of trouble. Anyway, that's not the point. Well, there wouldn't be a lot of trouble, I'm not that bad, but I would be like, now we need to have a sit down and talk about code style and coding practice, which, I mean, that's about as bad as I get. And then I fire them all, ha 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 ha, eat their souls. I wouldn't. What am I doing? Oh, I don't know, look. Why am I being stupid? Ah, no, I'm confused. I don't know, it feels to me like there's a way of doing this and I don't know what it is, and I'm probably going to do it wrong, and that upsets me. I'd call it a map personally, but you know, why not C#? Call it what you like. Is it now 2:30 in the morning? I think it is now 2:30 in the morning. Yes, it is 2:30 in the morning. God damn it, pants. Sorry, not the most fascinating content. Look. I don't know, maybe I should just shove in a current value. Alright, fine, screw it. What have I done here? I have pointless refactoring. Pointless refactor. Right, good. That was easy. Right, so. Right, this is the other thing you have to remember. The thing you have to remember is it doesn't matter because you can always undo it. So, I think current Y. No, you see, so we got I know train layer couldn't give a shit because it just so confused. Ooh, Christmas cat, a Treewood journey. Alright, old fruit. Let's do it. Alright, people. Yoink. Right, let's stop music. I don't know entirely what we've got in here, but let's do it. Are you kidding, mate? It's gonna be better than my shit, I can tell you. The Christmas cat, journey to tree, blah 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 blah. Short touch. Oh. Love it. Love it, Diabful. Love it. Alright, let's do this. I'm doing this. Let's go, as I think they say. Alright, let's do it. Boink. Oh. Yeah, I will listen to your advice. Nope. How do I control the cat? Oh, where? WSD. Oh. Oop. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, it's so cute. Go. Whoop, whoop. Oh man, I fucking love it. Stop, guard post. What does that mean? Okay. Alright, cat. Up. Higher, cat. Higher. Oppa. Up. Yoink. No. Love the music. Oh, dude, motherfucker. Who made the music? Oh no, god damn it. AI? Oh, fuck off. Fucking AI. Jesus, man. That's too good for AI. Oh, that's so depressing. Oh, well. Oh, that's hard, man. That's hard, just so you know. I love the graphics. Oh, fuck, I love the cat sprite. Oh, hello. Oh no! God damn it! I will kill you. This music is stressfully good. Oh god damn it, pants. Ah! Yeah, I'm beginning to hate you. You were my best friend, but now I'm beginning to hate you. I need music. God, I need music. Oh. Oh, come on now. Uh-huh. Aha! Num-nums. Oh. Yay! Secrets! Secrets! I need secrets. Oh, that's a good idea. Good idea. Oh. What's that? That give me yum-yums. Ah, yum-yums. I'm like, ah! No. Oh. Come on, jump, you fucker. No, okay. No. Alright, fine. No, bad Japanese person. That's not Japanese, it's, I don't know what it is, Korean? No, that is Japanese. Oh, now I can't jump. Ow! Make it stop! Oh yeah. That's hot. That. Oh, you big fucking trouble. No. Bad the apple. Yes. Have it. Oh. Oh, so I was meant to go that way, was I? I see. Meow. 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 Far, man. Oh, god damn it. This is driving me insane. I mean, this is a rage bait game. Actually, it really genuinely is a rage bait game. It's quite fun, though. I mean, it doesn't make any sodding sense, but then what can you expect from the Avatar? Dude, I can't believe you made this in 3 days. This is madness. I'm loving everything about it. I love the weird ass fucking graphics. I love this Japanese motherfucker. Yeah, no, bad Japanese man. So what, am I meant to go over here? Maybe yeah, I think I'm meant to go over here. What's that about? What even is that? No, over there. Oh, no! Ah! I thought I was being clever, but I wasn't. I was being a fool. I was being an idiot. Oh, God. Stop guard posts. I mean, that's deeply Russian. Alright, come on. Oink. Right, I'm gonna do this if it kills me. I'm getting the hang of the cats, kind of... No. I love this cat. It's got personality. I love this guy. I mean, I have no idea what that's about, but I love it. No, come on, man. Am I being dumb? Ah, yes! Right. Ah! Is that good? I don't think that's good. If I had to guess, I would say that's probably not good. Yeah, not good. Yeah, I'll get that. Don't you fret. I'm getting that. Meow, 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 oh, meow! Meow, 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 meow. Right. No. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, that's mean. Ah! Well, I'm enjoying this. Meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Physics? I have had better physics, yeah, pal, is all I'm going to say. I mean, I'm not physics shaming you, but, like, I think... No, that's... Ah! Yeah, I have definitely had easier physics. Yeah, boy! Oh, come on! Oop. Oh, seriously? Yeah, this is me done sleeping, just so you know. Oh, have you heard of Kahoot time? Dude! No, this reminds me of games I used to play when I was about 12. They were this challenging. What are you on, man? Have you been taking all the drugs? I love it. I don't know what this is about, but I screwing love it. Uh-oh. What is it? This is your Twitch stream. Oh my god, this is... oh no, if I die, I will have a fit. There will be death. Did anyone actually... that you know... Did anyone you know actually finish this? I'm giving this one more go. That was hard. That was a big, you know, what's what I'm looking for? Okay, this is fun though. I can't believe this is AI music. Oh god. This is too cute. This cat is ridiculous. I mean, seriously, where do these assets come from? I want this cat. I mean, I don't even like cats, and I'd own this cat. Oh, no. I do need secrets. No, come on. Yeah, I do like the secrets. I thought this was a secret, but it isn't. It's essentially how it is, but... no. Come on, cat. Yeah, have that. Up! Yeah, I'm slightly worried about this one again. So I'm back here. Dude. That cat has got a lot of jumpy jumps. This is definitely the hard bit, the Abfall, is all I'm saying. I mean, that is hard. That guy's freaking me out for one second now. Yep. Oh no, I should never have done that. Oh, that was a mistake. Can I get back up there? Maybe. Oh no, no, no! Ah! No! That's my sad face. Oh my god. I need cat food, and I need it bad. I need cat food bad. I know something's coming to kill me. Something's always coming to kill. Ah, yeah, you little bastards. Are you kidding me? That seems mean. Oh no! Oh, yeah, you bastard. Oh no. God damn it. I'll just one more. That's it. Mainly this the music. I mean the vibes on this. 5 minutes. 5 minutes my arse. Oh my god. I'm an idiot. I'm an absolute idiot. Can I make this big? Oh I can. That's really stressing me out. God, I need better glasses. I think I do need better glasses. That's really, I don't know, there's something about, oh my god, that's, oh no. I'm doing this. I'm gonna do it if it kills me. It's style dog. I thought it was Korean. I don't know why I thought it was Korean, but I did. I don't know. Oh, I thought you were Russian. This cat is insane. Oh. I'm going for the speed run here, incidentally. No. Ah! Game. Careful. It's your fault, man. Ah! I can't believe anyone made this in 3 days. Makes me look like a proper fool, I don't think. I don't know why I love this so much. It makes me laugh so much. Boy. No, I'm not gonna miss that. Not missing that. I love the Korean style dog. That makes me laugh a lot. I don't know why, but it does. Ooh. Oh. Not good, man. No! Ah! Oh! I'm not doing it again. I'm not that I've got a problem. I haven't got a problem. It's fine. I can stop any time. I just love this cat. I mean, the cat animation is just glorious. I mean, seriously. God, I want whoever did the animation of this cat to do my penguin. Oh, God. Yeah. It's a problem, isn't it? Well, that's why we have game testers. Well, this is why we need playtesters. Oh. Well, I want to get the hang of it. Ah, no! Because... Yeah, because there. Ah, god damn it. Well, so I'm currently playtesting Diabfal's game. So look, this is one of my viewers, and he just suddenly just told me he had this going on. So, like, the point of my entire kind of stream is to, I don't know, just be supportive. I don't know, like, you know, standard Twitch shit. But you know, why not? He's made a game, let's give it a go. Oh, really? Don't tell me that, mate. Seriously. Oh, but I mean, this is why we have playtesting. Oh, god damn it. Because this is cool. I mean, how cool is this game? I'm not sure this is exactly how you're meant to handle that, but that's how I'm handling it, because... Ah! This guy is hard though. This is, it becomes hard here, you know? Like, before this, it wasn't really that easy to die. If you fall in here, you're screwed. Oh, I gotta get the bauble. I'm a sucker. This is the hard bit. This is the hard bit. Oh no! No, 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 oh, no, 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 no. I hate you, Diablo. I hate you. Oh! Oh my god! Ah! I can't do it. I hate that guy. Well, I'm not going to do any more work. So this is it. This is me now. We've got this for the rest of the evening. I would like that to be a jumper. See? I can game still. I can still game. Like one-handed gaming. I mean, I don't want to brag or anything. Okay, I can't. That's like... Oh, what? Now you work? Do they work the same? Uh-huh. This is fun though, actually. I mean, it's quite a ragey game. Like, if you like games like Trees Hate You or whatever that thing. Oh my god. I thought I'd nailed this. I thought I got the hang of this. I really did. I don't know, you know what? I think I've had a relatively productive day. I managed to get that mesh business working, which I honestly thought I never would understand it. And I actually do understand it now. Okay, I just fell off that, but that's a minor detail. I will collect all the balls. Yeah. I'm afraid I'm a completionist. I will have all the balls. Don't give me a game if you don't want me to complete it 100%, basically. It's a fact. Even if it is a Christmas tree game about a cat, I will collect everything. I will explore every area. I will pick everything up. I will talk to this motherfucking Japanese guy. I will. Yeah. There's something going on there. run away! What's the tune? Look, the cat is bopping. Look at the cat. I love the fact the cat's bopping. I hadn't even noticed that. Come on, cat. Right, my nemesis. Okay. Okay, here we go. Right. Oh god. No, I'm going to. I can't. I gotta. I just got to. I can't not. It's not in my nature not to. Yes. Yeah, you bastards. Why, Diablo? Why would you do that to Eddie? Oh, what the fuck, man? You bastard! Fucking hell. You dick. That's just mean. I will do this. Okay, so this bit I like. This bit, I'm down with all of this now. I got the hang of this. And this is, I think, the best game I've ever played. I mean, I just love that guy. It reminds me of, there was one of the first memes was, Yatta! And it was like this weird Japanese sort of, I don't even know what it was about. And it had very similar kind of vibes with like, oh whoops. Yeah, boy! Right. Yeah, Snowman Boy. You things offend me. No, you offend me, you nasty things. Oh no, come on! Oh! Are you kidding me? I've got to go over there. Ah, God, I'm going to regret going over there, I suspect. Waifu! Hello, waifu! No! No! Oh, what am I going to do now? Oh, you dick. Oh, at least they've... Oh, no. Are they going to come back? Come on, cat! Come on, 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 oh no! I love it. That was really odd. That was very, very strange. You're a strange person. And I love it. That was a great game. 2 days? Man. I feel stupid with my penguin now. Firstly, it needs music. Down, 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 down. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, down, 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 down. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, look, I've got all this crap here, right? You probably won't be able to hear it. It might come through, actually. I don't think it will, but. Yeah. So that's what I'm aiming for. Anyway, you get the idea. So, like, I don't know, something like that. What's this going on? Oh, buttons. Buttons! No. Oh, I've broken everything now. Ah! Blah, 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 blah. It'll be more difficult with my penguin. It's always more difficult with the penguin, my friend. It's always more difficult with the penguin. Wink. It's always. Penguins are difficult by nature. Well, team, this has been unexpected, but on the plus side, I've got a penguin. I've I would have liked that to have come through, but I don't think it did. That's annoying. But on the plus side, game. Look at this! I mean, I've done rendering the mesh. I mean, it's not that bad, is it? Oh wow. I mean, I obviously quite like playing this game. It might be too easy if I can do it at the same time. Wow. I mean, it kind of looks like a game. That kind of looks like a game now. So, I think... God damn it, what keeps happening to my chat? So I think next steps are to give it a bit more variety. But I'm afraid that's a gig for a different day. Well, thank you for whoever else is watching. Thank you to Diabfal for letting me play their game. It was fun. Oh no, it's really fun. It was cool. Well, I loved the character. I loved the what's the word for the personality behind it. A lot of fun. Right, but I am off. But I'm off now. To bed now. So see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. DC. Oh no, I can't do that yet because I haven't got the thing organised. That was so weird. I loved it. So weird. I mean, look at this. So weird. Careful, I thought you were Russian, but I don't think you are Russian. I think you're Korean. I love this guy's. He's kind of fat and also rich at the same time somehow. How do I make it stop? I like that. There we go. Love it. Brilliant. Right, anyway. Bye. That was fun. What a legend. Be seeing you.